Alright, hey guys, what's up? And, there was a blizzard, and it's still going on. There was a blizzard since, like, 1 in the morning, and it is now 8. And there is, like, so much snow. Most of it's gone off of the streets because of the snowplows. But there's, like, cars stuck. This one's stuck over here. There's one up the street stuck over there. There's 2 over here. And there's one right here. He's stuck.
What? This is why you should keep a snow shovel in your back car.
And there's a lot of them on the other side of my house. But, it's snowing real bad. I would go out and help, but, it's cold. I think I'll stay in here. Like, it's really bad.
I want to see another car that's stuck.
Yeah, so that car is stuck.
They're gonna have traffic over
Big
here.
time. And the snowplows, like, just plowed this, like, 5 minutes ago. And that one's stuck. He's trying to get out.
Oh.
This gray one over here has been stuck for like 4 hours.
Oh, and Gabby, you want to know something? A snowplow, before all these other cars got stuck, it just passed by the gray one that's been stuck there for like 2 hours.
And it didn't even help.
Because snowplows, dude, their only job is to plow the snow. But since there's cars in the street, oh, I think one got out.
No,
that was a different one. He's gonna get stuck. The reason why they're getting stuck is because when they're driving, they stop. And then they get stuck. But I mean, if you keep on driving, you're crushing the snow under it. But if you drive and then you stop, you're just making an imprint for your tires. And therefore, they're not going to be able to get out. Don't get stuck. You're gonna get stuck? No?
There's another car over there trying to get past.
The van.
He's gonna get stuck. That big thing is going to get stuck somewhere. Oh no. This is just so hilarious. But is it gonna be snowing? Since it was snowing since 1 o'clock in the morning today. And it's a Saturday. And then it should stop.
Someone was getting out.
Yeah, I know. I have them on camera.
I'm glad
it should stop. I would say in the middle of the night. It's going to be snowing all day today. Alright, but hopefully these guys get out.
Or else they're gonna have to stay there until the snow melts.
Yeah, well, hopefully they get out, because if they don't get out, I feel sad, because it's cold. It really is. So I wish you guys the best of luck when you're driving. Don't go too fast. You don't want to flip your car, because it will flip.
And don't stop or else you're gonna get stuck.
Slow and steady really wins the race. Not a race, but like you just don't want to get stuck. I'll see y'all later.